Something smells good tonight. Oh, they changed the. Oh, they changed the thing. See, look at that. Oh, so they did change the serving zones. Nice. Look a little smaller, but no. Oh, they opened up the kitchen a little bit. Oh, they opened this up a lot. Got easy access to all the pies and cakes and everything over here. Yeah. Makes it nice and easy. We got some shrimp. Mediterranean bowl. Baked potatoes, grilled onions, mushrooms. Nice. Salad dressing. And shrimp.
All right.
Eggplant parmesan, that's what I thought it was. You got the fried chicken, meaty meatballs, baby back, more shrimp. You got some baked pie. More desserts. You got the pies separated. Let's go.
I got a cherry pie.
Got your fixings. Gluten-free chocolate. Excuse me. Sure. We got the standard sodas over here. Nice favorites. Steak burgers, beef hot dog, smorgy cheesesteaks, smoked beef brisket, kielbasa, applewood carved green, baked potatoes, grilled onions, sauteed mushrooms. They got sugar-free slushies. Sugar-free slushies, zero sugar slushies. Nice. You can give me one of those.
Yeah, I'm going first.
Cola.
No, the cups are right here.
And we got some juices. Okay. All right. We got blue raspberry, wild cherry, peach mango, and ice pop. Peach mango. Sugar free, but it's sweet. That is sweet. Cut that with something.
There's no ice coming. Oh, okay. I'll go.
Hot wings. It looks like the tender roast beef. Seriously think I'm going to get me a sandwich here. Jerk wings. Uh-oh. These big olives they used to have. Let's see if they still got the big olives. There's them big olives. Right there. I'm gonna give me some of the ribs. Mushrooms. Alright, let's go get ourselves cheesesteak sandwich. Should we get a steak or steak?
How do you like it, bud? Yeah, how do you like it cooked?
You want it kind of like that? Might have something close if you're. That'll be fine. If I'm like a medium well.
We're gonna go with the cheesesteak minus the bread. There we go.
Yes.
Can I get a cheesesteak without the bread? No bread.
One onion?
Yes. Excellent. Thank you. That's my 2 plates. Look at them 2 plates right there. Oh, she on her phone. This room was just like about empty when we first came in here. Place fills up fast.
So that was Monday.
It's a little bit good now.
This is her shirt.
She's patient.
I know who you're talking about. I don't know her name, but I know who you're talking about.